day 2 of the birthday festivities, and we're heading on the road this morning, and we're going to Yaaman Adventures. The birthday boy just wanted to do something fun this year, so you know, I booked us a tour. We're gonna do like what's that called, the buggy rides, the aviary, the zip line. Like, I've never done that before, so I'm pretty excited but kind of scared, kind of nervous. But yeah, that's the pre for today. Last night, which was his actual birthday, we opted to go and watch Jamaica's football match. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back to that right now, and then we're gonna pick up from where we left off. So journey with us.
Flashback.
Come on, yeah, your facial expression says it all.
Facial expression.
Good night. You can't facial expression. Oh yeah, guys. This bunning the way I wanted to bun. I mean, do it myself. That was expected. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. The light here look a bit too bright. I'm bringing it down a little. I'm not doing that. Try to find the perfect lighting for y'all. I don't mind red light with that ball. Oh, trouble me. Anyway, welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's night time, as you guys can see, and we're heading out to a football match with the birthday boy. Say hi. People have probably think you're dumb on the channel. Well, mute. Let me not be rude. Some people probably think you're mute. What? Think you're mute because you don't talk on this channel. Turn down the radio, man. We get copyright, man. So we're going to the Jamaican match at the National Stadium. Who are we playing against again?
Honduras.
Jamaica versus Honduras. Let's see how this one goes. I'm not gonna shut up it this time, guys, because it's late. I'm already tired and sleepy, so yeah. Head to the match with us. Guys, I'm gonna make a quick gas station stop for some snacks. The cinnamon roll. Why this looks so foggy? And something to drink. What do I want to drink?
Never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Which way we going?
Top smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the
End of flashback.
So I'm just looking forward to a chill day, if I'm being honest, and I hope he enjoys his birthday weekend. Birthday continues, you know, guys, kind of done, so yeah.
Basic, panic, cool, and the cancer. I wear the way back past that.
Which one app is this?
That's the one that because I'm very soon. So guys, we're on location at Yaaman Adventure Tours. Can you open it up? Thanks. So we just went to get our bands and stuff, and we're gonna do like all of the activities. No? Like the doom buggy and all them something there. And ATV, but guys, from the little freak accident we must go out with the ATV. We don't worry the ATV. So let's go on the doom buggy with Jason, and maybe take a look at one drive, you know? Isn't it? See, that's a pre. Our tour starts soon. So we're just gonna change off, and then we're gonna head on the road. Probably can change our shirt too.
V6 panic wall and the cancer. I went way back.
So guys, we just did the ATV / buggy and it was so much fun. We rate the buggy, How was it?
Oh.
How much you rate it? 8? You rate it 8 because I'm not driving and I got a bag of things. I give it a 7-ish because I was a passenger princess. But it was fun. I know I'm dirty, I'm full of mud, look at my shoes. But it was fun. So now we're going to check out the bird aviary and we'll probably go get something to eat as well.
She said she's dirty.
Well, you're not here, I'm still. And then we're going to the zip line. But unfortunately, guys, we cannot take our phones, so I have no local footage. Probably inside the two little picture with them take because they did take pictures of us while we were like on the ATVs and stuff. So yeah, but it's going good so far. Hungry though.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Guys, this is the bird aviary. Look at these. It's so cute. Look at it. No, sir. Hey, the Malay, wait. The Malay, wait. The door is closed. Just show somebody. Oh my God, you're so cute. Done? Running. Don't bring them in here. Oh, just go. Me I go. Just go. Why? I'm trying to chill. I don't want to get some with no food, you know. Look at them, they're so cute. But I'm afraid of them. They might move away. Alright, I'm going to attempt, oh my God. I'm going to attempt to feed one of them. Right? Here you go, little birdie. Oh, that feels weird from my hand. Oh God, they might pick me. It's okay, relax.
Bad and bullshit, bad. All set.
Why great? What is this? Guys, we just finished zip lining. And now we're going to the river to cool off. I mean, it's very hot here, but we're up in a tree, so it's kind of cool, and it was so much fun. I'm almost chicken out, like at the first line, because there are 2 lines. I'm almost chicken out. But then, you know, I conquered my fears. I can finally say that I did zip line. And it wasn't bad. So the tour has like, well, the package that we booked, you can do the ATV or the dual buggy, as I said. You can do zip line, visit the bird aviary, and then you get to go to Blue Hole. So that's what we did for activities for the day. And so far, it's been good. I'm tired though. So I'm gonna wait for going to the river. And chill, so come to the river with us.
Alright?
Okay.
Can let the gradual part?
Yeah, we put God in that man. Can I say, yeah, we do that. Anyway, down by the river, you'll be attended by lifeguards here, okay? They do have fun with you all. Show you a thing or two about the river as well. And also provide you with life vests. Without your life vest, it keeps you afloat. Will never let you drown. I guarantee you that, alright? But just in case you drown, you'll be still floating, okay? No, this ride. No, this ride we call it Junior Ride, a.k.a. the Bugsy Ride, alright?
Bugsy.
Yeah, man, that's the rough rider. So you want to lean to the left, lean to the right, but don't you worry now, it will never flip.
I hope so.
Everybody good?
Yeah, man.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so we want to chop.
Let's go. So we're at the river. You can't swim? We're just trying it. I can't swim either, so I'm not jump out. But I have like jumped already, but it wasn't that bad. Not here though. At another tour, but it wasn't that bad. Guys, the water is so beautiful.
Is it black?
Yeah. We have the live fest over here. Oh yeah, it's shy. Thank you. Alright guys, we're gonna check off right now. 5, 4, 3, 2. No, never mind. No. I said, I'm taking my phone. I got my phone. Why would you do that? I put it over there. Look at it. Let's go and chill out right here. Go jump off. No, I jump off already and the water going on my nose. And you feel like, I don't know. I never think go on and do something that will make you. I'm so stressed. I can't flow. We do it for the vlog. Bruce Lee. Where's your wig, girl? Why would you do that? I'm not going to see him. Aww. Wig like. Wig like it. Chop it down. Put it back there. Put it chop away. Go in now. Girl, just leave that shit off. Guys, we just came from the river. Hungry. So we decided to come by for lunch. So lunch was actually included in our package. I heard that jerk chicken and festival is on the menu, so we're just waiting for them to come and serve us. Yeah. But the river was fun though. Sir, I would not advise you take that seat. So your photos are in. I know. You put on your pepper? Yeah. This is the jerk chicken. Is so this pepper? I'm a dash enough funny today. Chicken is tough though. Kale mo yung pepper niya lang mo yung select the food done in a year. What? But I give the extra chicken to make up for the festival. That's what he said. No, come in. I will never try that. That's what he told you, right? Is that me? That's not me. Where am I? I'm looking for myself. And it's $3,500 for the package. I don't see more. I don't see more. If not, when? If not, what? How much are them there?
You're gonna use the app.
Okay, I know. To scan it. Cool, no problem. Alright, sounds good. I don't want to brushing teeth. That's how you should live. And I'm so tired. You can probably tell by my eyes. But it was a fun day. That's how you know you had fun, when you're beat at the end of the day. It's now 5 o'clock in the evening and we are head home. How was your day, Mr. G? Mr. G Chin, how was your day? Use your words and stop. Like a dummy, use your words. How was your day? You enjoyed yourself? Okay. Which ride was the best in your opinion? The Doom Buggy, because they are rev out ill. At one point, I swear, so we are go over the cliffs, guys. I think I never really enjoyed that because it was so rocky. The road did just fun. Like, if you can drive on Jamaican roads, you can drive on them track here. But I enjoyed the zip line. Like, I was a bit hesitant at first. But... So, guys, we're going home now. Bye, Yaaman. You owe us nothing. Guys, look from the car with this suit off for me. Look at it. So, would y'all drive this car? Let me know. We are trying to open people in the car first. You open it in the car, people, let me know in the comment section. What kind of car? This is a Toyota. Yeah, see it. Toyota what? Stop it now, what kind of car is it? A Toyota what? Let me know in the comments if you drive this, guys, because I would not. Not in 2023. No, thank you. No, thank you. But anyways, the color is nice though. That's the only nice thing I have to say. We'll get mango from over the yard here. I'm gonna pick some mango for you. Zoom in for the mango. You want some turn on too? Yeah, we like them young. Cool.
Take this guy this way.
I like mango.
Big red one, them agree.
I like dog, but I eat dog. I like them young. You say you like them young and you say yeah. So what that's supposed to mean? You like them young. But you're busy if you like them young. Me like them old. Goodbye. Anywho. Hey, I love when I get my taste and I want my distance. Let them go on. Let them go on. But I got a mango. So good. We are going home now. Please.
Basic, panic, cool, and the cancer. I went away back past that.
Let's take this overboard now. How much a bunch for Guinea?
2 base, baby.
Where money? Find it.
Alright.
Are you that?
Yeah, baby.
Thanks. We got Guinea. What them there? Shantania. We'll get the Guinea now. Oh, now get it. Come on, come on, go.
I have 4 questions and I'm done. Are you in the net or the kingdom? Some in the net were not good. And if the church is a net, you might be in the net, but you might not be in the kingdom. Because when you're in the kingdom, your life is revolutionized. What will the angel do with you? Will you be cast out? Or will you be gathered? Will you be separated from God forever? That's a question we have to ask ourselves this morning.
really funny. The part where him go come talk about it's too late now. Yes, my brother. You don't have my money. Oh, it's too late. Hey, me I look for you and I know you stay there. Too late. You have your money already. Taking the man in the dark cover.
No, you do it, it's like you're like you're search to try to find them.
Sorry,
In the weird.
in my face.
Like, look, man, just look around properly. You know, wash your people.
You don't have me watch my answer.
I see you. But that's a stand up.
Stop watching, please. Guys, we're in Old Harbour. Came to pick up the boys. And it's raining. So yeah, I grab them. We have Jason in our car, but you guys just come to grab the boys. They have school tomorrow, so they have to come home. They do want to stay. Hey, how them dad get back off of me? We're married now. So you guys, I have dinner for the gang. I'm always a cook and I send for me, so I'm going to cook some dinner today for them. Swan! What happened?
I didn't go in the pool yet.
Swan, I'm going to go in the pool. Hi, my love. Give me hugs. And bring food for you. Hungry, Billy. I wish you come. Look in our bag. Come get in the stuff and let's go. Bag pack up. It's stewed chicken. Veggies, right?
No, I guess I cook stewed chicken.
What about it, girl? My big shit. Let's say your grandparents.
Next time we are coming together to watch us pork or something.
No, I'm going to have time for them something. We are watch Lucy. You sit down and watch Idiot Lucifer. Come boys, let's get your stuff and let's go.
Let's get some party.
No
Or
party.
pizza.
No pizza.
What are you gonna get?
You boys had fun this weekend?
But we didn't got nothing to eat. I didn't eat some. But we had
So have them there, stop them.
and now we didn't eat all the snacks, and now we want more food.
You want more food? Alright, I have dinner at home, so we'll go home and get dinner.
Yeah.
Okay? I cooked chicken and fries.
I want some party.
Alright, we're going to try to get to your party, don't worry. Either way, guys,
Party left.
this is where I'm gonna go and end out this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this weekend's birthday shenanigans. Feel free to wish the birthday boy a happy birthday down in the comments. Thank you in advance. I know he says thanks because I speak for him, right? So yeah. Oh, so I'm gonna speak for you anymore? No, you see, you're not saying nothing, but your facial expression always say everything that you're thinking. It's because I know what you're always thinking. I look at him and get copyright. I've been waiting for you.
Dog.
Okay guys, that's it for this weekend's vlog. See you next week. Say bye boys.
Bye.
Javi, say bye.
Bye. And we just saw Chelsea.
Chelsea? Okay, man.
And then next one, I'm gonna